Why the fuck did I have to park at the gas station? Look at it, the line is crazy. Look, these people are crazy. See, the perks of living in a not so urban area is that they have chicken sandwiches left. But the only thing is that now all these motherfuckers is coming over here. That's why that line was fucking long as fuck. I was like, watch, the one by my house probably really still gonna have some. Why they still got some people was fucking ordering 8 and shit. 8 and 10. I'm like, damn, this lady drove far as fuck just to come get a chicken sandwich. I'm like, damn, people really out here. So this is the level petty I am. So I honestly didn't really care about the sandwich, but the fact that so many people couldn't get it is the reason why I wanted to get it, to be determined, like, I can get that shit.
I can't find a chicken sandwich nowhere, man, and it's hurting my heart. Like, I really don't know what to do. Like, I'm going to Southfield, I'm going to Madison Heights, like, East Side, West Side.
So I got it just because no one else could. Patty. Okay, look at that chicken sandwich. Oh yeah, please believe there's a whole lot of smacking up in here. You know I don't eat cute. It's not for y'all, it's for me. Wait for it. That's when it hit me.
This sandwich right here, this sandwich right here.
Like it? Like it? Good? Right. It's fire, right? It's definitely fire. Like, what are they putting in this chicken? However, it is definitely not worth y'all fighting over people.
When it's wrong, my drip hit different when it's wrong. My stick hit different when it's wrong. It hit different. It hit different. It hit different. It hit different. It hit different.
People. It's definitely not worth y'all fighting other people. Definitely not worth that line. Like, it was worth for me because I literally was in line for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops, and I went inside. I'm not sitting in no drive-through for like 30 minutes. Like, I'm not doing that. Like, these people are crazy. But this sandwich is bomb. To compare it to Chick-fil-A, I'm not really big on Chick-fil-A. Sorry, like, I'm not one person that don't really fuck with Chick-fil-A like that. It's cool. It's not my thing. I definitely would buy Popeyes chicken sandwich before Chick-fil-A. But you know, Chick-fil-A, if you wanna put me in a commercial, I might change my mind. But no, for real, y'all be safe out there. Go ahead and go grab you one of these if you can. I'm probably gonna eat my kids' ones because yeah, it's good. No, I'm gonna stay focused. Honestly, the real thing that I was really upset was that they didn't have no more lemonade. They didn't have no more of that squeezed lemonade. So I had to get something else. Anyways, have fun. Don't forget to subscribe.
Truth is, I'm tired. Options are few. I'm trying to pray, but where are